Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you where to find all your links. So first of all, log into your account, and if you go to the menu bar across the top and click on My Office, and under My Office you'll find My Profile, which is the top option. Then if you go over to the right side of the screen, you'll see your sponsor ID and you'll see your eShop. Now when you come to it, first of all, it's going to be like this. So it's just going to see, all you're going to see is My eShop. If you click on this blue dot, that will toggle it open. Now it needs to be open for you to be able to use it, and that will bring up your link. And your link can be copied, so basically highlight it by dragging your mouse across it, and then Control and C to copy, or you can right click and copy, and then you can paste that link into messages, emails. You can put it onto Facebook posts, you can put it into Pinterest posts. You'll also see there you've got a QR code. Now if you're any good on Canva or any other graphic design app, you can copy that and you can put it into posts that you do, pictures that you do, embed it into those. I saw that if anybody finds your post online, they can point the phone at it. That will then take them directly to your link. Below that you will see the Essens travel. Now that one is your Essens travel link. Anybody who's got that link will be taken to your Essens travel eShop. So I'll copy that one and I will pop that into a new tab so you can see where it takes people, and that takes them through to the Essens travel booking site. Now we don't earn money when somebody books a holiday through Essens Travel, but we do get the points. So if we are already on the marketing plan, we can earn extra points, so you'll get a commission bonus based on those points. It may even take us up to another level, and it will also count towards your 50 points qualification for cashback. You won't actually get any cashback on the holidays, but it will count towards your 50 points. So it is worth sharing because there are going to be incremental points for you. Under that, and this is the important one, is your sponsor link. So it says new member registration. That is your link for sponsoring people, and again you can copy it. Now you can see the button underneath which says share on Facebook. You can actually share directly onto Facebook. I just prefer to copy and paste it, so copy it. Let's just go, let me show you what happens when you go onto Facebook. I don't know if I'm logged in. Yeah, I am. So I can actually share that directly onto Facebook, and then when they click on that picture it will take them through to my registration link. Shall I show you that? Let's just put this is my, no it won't, because that'll just post it onto my timeline, won't it? Okay, no, I can make this private, so I can make it only me. Done. Okay, this is my registration link. Okay, share that, wait for it to post. Okay, so then when somebody clicks on it, it will take them straight through to your registration link. Now this is a dummy account, so it's not going to take them anywhere. Okay, so let's delete that post. Okay, so going back to this, so that is your registration link. You can copy and paste it. Again, you can use your QR code, so you can actually embed that into any images that you do. I have already done a video that shows you how to share a link if you've got somebody who wants to register in another country, and that's basically, say you've got somebody in Ireland, you click on there and your registration link is slightly different, but it's in exactly the same place. It's on My Profile. Scroll down to the bottom, new member registration. And this time you'll see that your link is there, but it's changed it to essens.ie/r and then your sponsor ID. So yeah, that's where you find your link, and that's how you share it. For more Essens training videos, subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell.